Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best shower curtain rod wire cutter in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Amazon Basics Tension Shower Doorway Curtain Rod. While buying shower curtain rods are meant for use in the bathroom, it is ideal to consider a multifunctional option. And this versatile Amazon Basics Tension Shower Doorway Curtain Rod will suit many needs. It can be fixed in the cabinet to function as levels for storing shoes. In the kitchen, it can be used for hanging pans and lids. In the bedroom, it fits as a for putting blackout curtains and even for privacy. With its different color choices, it will match well with most home decors. This model provides buyers the opportunity to adjust manually the length. It can extend from 54 to 90 inches. It will easily adapt to its environments. Thanks to the spring included inside, it will provide a solid grip and remain in place without issues of readjusting. Number 2. Our second best pick is Amazon Basics Room Darkening Rod. The rod has an adjustable length with wraparound edges. This enables you to shorten or even extend it without losing its functionality. Indeed, it provides an end-to-end cove to the shower area. This means no water will spill from the bathroom to prevent flooding. In case you are a light sleeper, this would be ideal for use in the bedroom. It completely darkens the room to give undistracted sleep. The rod is available in color options including black, dark bronze, and nickel. You are not limited to choices that suit your room or existing decor. It comes with all the necessary mounting accessories like anchors and screws. This means installation and uninstalling is quite easy. This one has curved edges that wrap the curtains to insulate the room and prevent falling. Number 3. Our third best pick is BRIOFOX Shower Curtain Rod. Anyone looking for a stylish shower rod needs this BRIOFOX model. One notable feature is its sparkling stainless steel design. Made with the spring tension plus potent suction cups, the unit is extremely firm. After securing the ends to the wall, all you need is to twist and let the rod extend into place. The rods come with quality corrosion-resistant coating. This finish keeps its surface smooth and allows it to remain rust-free. It can be applied onto many surfaces thanks to the included suction cups. Designed from 100% rubber, it prevents potential marks or damages to the wall. After installation or removal of the rod, no ugly scratches remain. This model is made from high-grade 304 stainless. Granted, over 5 years of use it will still be rust-free. The manufacturer is utterly confident about this product's quality. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Amazer Spring Tension Curtain Rod. Are you seeking the best way to make your shower life amazing? Then the Amazer Spring Tension Curtain Rod is the choice unit for you. Full of versatility and functionality, it works well on smooth surfaces including metal, glass, or tiles. It is also used in rough areas like concrete or rough stone. With a non-slip grip, it prevents any hazards. This foam holds the walls tightly just as the shoes do while walking or standing. The rod can be adjusted between 42 to 72 inches. Thanks to the spring loaded between the inside and the outside tubes. Its ends are removable to allow you to add rings for hooking the curtains. This means all you need is the twist and tighten method to have it installed or even removed. The process does not take time because there are instructions included. The pads incorporated at the ends provide a grip that prevents accidents from falls. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Zenna Home NeverRust Rustproof Aluminum Tension Mount Curved Shower Rod. If you love using curved shower curtain rods that also work as the tension type, then the design of this Zenna Home NeverRust will be worthy. It combines the two to ensure it provides satisfying results for all your needs. One most pleasing feature is that it is made using durable material. Yes, aluminum makes it last longer, withstand weights and rust resistant. It makes the best option for any shower space because the manufacturer provides a lifetime guarantee against rust. Thanks to its tension feature, no extra tool is needed to install it. The process is simple and does not leave marks on the walls. This rod works well for tubs from sizes about 50 inches long and 72 inches in width. But it is also curved, you get an additional 6.5 inches for your shower area. This is quite comfortable. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.